Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Yardi Voyager, a comprehensive property management software designed to streamline and automate various tasks. Yardi Voyager is an intuitive and user-friendly platform that enables property managers and owners to efficiently manage their properties, tenants, and financial transactions. To get started, you need to log in to the Yardi Voyager system using your username and password. Once logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that provides an overview of your properties, including rent rolls, lease expirations, and financial summaries. The first step in using Yardi Voyager is to set up your properties in units. This involves entering detailed information about each property, including the address, type, and amenities. You can also add units to each property, specifying the rent, square footage, and other relevant details. Next, you can manage your tenants and leases. Yardi Voyager allows you to track tenant information, including contact details, lease terms, and payment history. You can also generate lease agreements and renewals, as well as track lease expirations and terminations. Yardi Voyager also provides a robust accounting and financial management system. You can manage rent payments, late fees, and other charges, as well as generate financial reports and statements. The system also integrates with various payment gateways, allowing tenants to make online payments. To ensure accurate and timely financial reporting, it is essential to set up your chart of accounts and configure your accounting settings. This involves defining your income and expense accounts, as well as setting up your payment terms and methods. In addition to property and financial management, Yardi Voyager also provides a range of reporting and analytics tools. You can generate reports on rent rolls, vacancy rates, and financial performance, as well as analyze trends and patterns in your data. Best practices for using Yardi Voyager include regularly updating your property and tenant information, reconciling your financial transactions, and running regular reports to monitor your performance. It is also essential to take advantage of the system's automation features, such as automatic rent reminders and late fee notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize the benefits of Yardi Voyager and streamline your property management operations. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Yardi Voyager is an essential tool for any property manager or owner looking to optimize their business and improve their bottom line.